Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia. Today I'm coming with a quick clean with me, getting ready to turn over this unit for the next guest that's getting ready to come in the next couple of hours. So I'm going to get through with this really quickly. I've already cleaned the linens and towels and stuff, so I'm going to pack everything up to go as I normally do, and we're going to wash that stuff at home and bring it back for the next guest. So let's get into it.
of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again. But you ain't
My future business owner here, taking care of business, yes. What you doing?
Let me take you away.
Very good. You're doing an excellent job.
Yeah. Better nights, better days when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave. So I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, yeah. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love.
Come out and play. It's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the old kind of new way?
All right, right, you guys, so that is it. Thank you for tuning in for this clean and decorate and resetting of my short-term rental unit. I really hope you enjoyed this. I also wanted to say thank you guys so much to my new subscribers. You all have made my whole weekend. I'm just beaming with pride and joy to know that so many of you have decided to subscribe to my channel, and I hope that you stick around and continue to support the channel, and I will provide inspiration to you all as well. Thanks so much. Stay safe, stay blessed. Peace.